Hey, hello, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel TechGrantha. So I know like from last 2 years, I was not available on YouTube. There was no any videos came, but now I just come back with a lot of new learnings and different tools, technology which can grow up about the career and your skills and all those things. So before I will proceed for next uh, skill set, first if I already miss about previous technologies, whatever already I uploaded the video, you can watch under the playlist and you can explore about the Dynatrace, Blazemeter tool, Nagios, then some videos I just put about the JMeter, Loader tool and Jenkins. So you can just watch and comment in the comment box if you have any doubt, any questions on there. I will just try to help as soon as possible. Okay, so now the next technologies which I'm going to share with you about the Splunk, because now the market have lot of uh, technologies about the Splunk is required, where we can understand about the log informations, why the host is down state and all those things. So we'll start one by one. So this tutorials from zero level to the advanced level that people can learn and just grow about the opportunities and new ideas. So let me know in the comment box whoever is interested, and just share me the feedback what are the tutorials also you want from my side. And thank you so much. Please keep connect, and now onwards I will just keep update you the videos about the different tool and technologies soon. Thank you.